Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Determined to end the spate of project abandonment at the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC), the new management, led by Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, last week met with contractors who have been owed several sums of money with a view to finding ways and means of commencing payment to contractors for projects awarded by the Commission many years ago. According to Dr. Ogbuku, development in the Niger Delta has been greatly hampered by the inability of contractors to deliver on projects for the region.
The Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) was established in the year 2000 following agitations by the Niger Delta people for a better deal from the Nigerian Federation. The commission was expected to improve on infrastructure within the region as well as develop human capacity. However, after 22 years of existence, the Niger Delta region is yet to witness the expected development. This situation was brought on largely due to the fact that the NDDC itself could not access the funds it was expected to get and therefore could not pay off contractors as at when due. Naturally, this led to project abandonment and the syndrome of uncompleted projects. So much so that after the recent forensic audits ordered by President Muhammadu Buhari, over 13,000 projects were discovered to have been abandoned at different stages in the Niger Delta. To fight this phenomena, Managing Director of NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, last week met with contractors of the Commission with a view to getting most of the projects completed. At the meeting with the contractors, Dr. Ogbuku, who appealed for understanding on the part of the contractors, said the Commission was exploring alternative means to generate funds to enable it to pay contractors to the Commission.
It is because of this problem we find ourselves. Hence, this management came up with the PPP agenda. And it will also involve the projection of how we also have counterpart funding on how to offset some of this our debt burden.
In his reaction, President Association of NDDC Contractors, Sylvester Tonye, expressed satisfaction with the new management and its desire to ensure prompt payments to contractors.
For the first time, we're seeing a board or a team who has actually come to understand the pains of the people and the contractors in the region.
In a related development, IJOL leaders and critical stakeholders last week were also at the headquarters of the NDDC in solidarity with Dr. Samuel Ogbuku. They thanked President Muhammadu Buhari for finding him worthy of appointment as Managing Director of the NDDC. The IJOL leaders, led by Elder TK Ogoriba, who called for the immediate publication of the forensic audit report, praised President Muhammadu Buhari and the NDDC for the recent cancellation of over 1,000 projects whose contractors failed to mobilize to sites. They called on Dr. Ogbuku to do everything within his power to ensure the completion of key projects for the development of Niger Delta region.
We plead with the MD that we will insist and please ensure that the forensic report is published for everybody to see.
High Chief Anap Sarigbe expressed confidence in the ability of Dr. Ogbuku to deliver on the Commission's mandate.
We have confidence in the MD because he was part of the struggle. Therefore, as a man, as part of the struggle, we believe that he will be able to address the issues that is boggling the Niger Delta.
The IJOL leaders and critical stakeholders promised Dr. Ogbuku their cooperation in his bid to transform the NDDC and indeed the Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta,